Controlling air content in concrete mixtures is a necessary component in their mix design. Small air bubbles create voids to relieve pressure of water as it expands during freeze-thaw cycles, and thus preventing damage. And Gilson offers a complete selection of air meters for testing fresh concrete specimens in accordance with ASTM and AASHTO test specifications. Gilson offers two high-quality Type B concrete air meters which measures total air content from the fresh concrete sample. The HM-30 model features the exclusive waterproof Gorilla gauge, while the economical HM-30S offers an American-made stainless steel gauge. Both feature rugged construction, portability, and ease of operation for fast and accurate air content determinations in accordance with ASTM and AASHTO test specifications. The Gilson HM-345 Super Air Meter is a modified version of a conventional Type B concrete air meter that determines both total air content and the air void spacing factor of fresh concrete specimens, and provides a good indication of freeze-thaw durability. This rugged unit is equipped with a programmed digital gauge that easily guides the user through test procedures. Gilson also offers two volumetric air meters for testing lightweight aggregate concrete mixes, but either unit can be reliably used with any concrete mix. The Gilson HM-32L lightweight concrete rollometer is a lightweight version of the popular rollometer and is constructed of durable aluminum. And the Gilson HM-33 Volumetair is constructed of PVC and fiberglass-reinforced plastic. Readings of percent of air are easily obtained on the site tube scale in accordance with ASTM and AASHTO test specifications. And finally, the Gilson HM-34 Chase Air Indicator Kit is an easy-to-use tool for quick estimates of air content in fresh concrete as a supplement to other standards-based air meter tests. With Gilson's complete family of materials testing equipment, offering a wide range of performance, features, and capacities, Gilson has the right equipment to fit your needs for fast, accurate, and reliable concrete testing needs. Be sure to check out these and all our products listed in the Gilson catalog and on the Gilson website. Gilson, your industry leader for materials testing equipment.